Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm going to show you how to check out what kind of specs you have on your Chromebook. It's actually really easy to do, so let's get to it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate down to my Chrome browser and I'm going to open that up like so, and then I'm going to type in Chrome //system, and then I'm going to hit enter. And then that's going to bring me a whole lot of information, maybe more than I need. But as you can see here, one of the things that's interesting is that Chrome puts things about your operating system right in with all your hardware, very much together, so you have just a wealth of information. I'm going to scroll down here. As you can see, some of the interesting things you can see, what release of Google you have, how much free disk space you have. I believe the disk space is in kilobytes, so you'll have to change it to whatever you need, like gigabytes or whatever. The next thing, we're going to scroll down here. Let's see some of the other there's a lot of information here, but some of the, here we go, CPU version right there. So as you can see, 12th gen Intel, very, very helpful. If I keep scrolling down some more here, then we're going to get to your disk usage here. This is a little bit easier, I would say, than the first one to read. And then if I scroll down here, another super useful thing is your event log. So if you have something go a little weird, you want to know what happened, you can go here. As you can see, it gives you the exact time, exact date. But really, there's a ton of information there. You could just keep scrolling, looking, and finding all sorts of information, but that's how you find out the specs on your computer, your memory, and operating system version. Anything you need is on there. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.